Verrucae and warts are small lumps on the surface of the skin. They're caused by infection with the HPV virus, which can spread by direct skin-to-skin contact or from contact with contaminated surfaces such as swimming pool floors. A verruca is a wart on the sole of the foot. Verrucae often have black dots in the centre and can be uncomfortable or painful when you put weight on them. The Scholl treatment pen contains TCA active gel for treatment of verrucae and warts. The treatment is suitable for adults and children from 4 years old. The gel causes the thickened skin of the verruca to peel, removing the virus and allowing healthy skin to appear. This video shows you how to use the Scholl treatment pen. If you're treating a verruca covered with a callus or thick hard skin, soak the foot in warm water and rub carefully with a file prior to treatment. To remove the cap, align the arrows and pull the cap from the pen. On first-time use, apply the gel on one wart before treating multiple warts to test if there will be any skin reaction. To prime, hold the pen vertically and press the button several times with 5 seconds in between. You'll then see the blue gel filling the tip of the pen. Carefully apply 1 drop of blue gel onto the verruca. If 1 drop does not cover the entire verruca, apply another drop of gel. The blue gel allows for precise, targeted application, which helps prevent accidental application to healthy skin. Let the gel dry for 10 to 15 minutes before putting on socks, shoes or gloves. Carefully wipe the tip with a tissue to remove any excess gel. Recap the pen firmly and misalign the arrows. For children, apply the gel once a day for 4 days, and for adults, repeat treatment twice a day for 4 days. Over the 4 days, the skin will become darker and start to peel. Peeling should last 1 to 2 weeks after treatment has finished. The new skin will then grow back. If the verruca does not disappear completely, repeat the treatment after a 4-day break. Treatment can be repeated up to 4 times if required to completely remove the verruca.